Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to Stock Diary 41. This is your host Ali Abbas. Today we saw the market open slightly gap down, a little pump and then a dump and then a big pullback to trap all the sellers who probably entered over here thinking the market would continuously go. Now what happened was the first support level was over here where it took a bounce off this and then later it broke through it. Now this was a support level that it was holding, and this is pretty crucial because as you can see all the bounces happened right at this level. So 52,200, 52,000 is a very crucial support. Below that, yes, there could be a huge selling. Now if you look at this in the larger time frame, let's say 4-hour time frame, you can see that there is quite a lot of support at 52,000 over here. So, and this support has breached and stayed since 25th June, so it's almost a month now. Now anything below that, all these buyers will start exiting. All the people holding long positions will start booking their profits. So over here there doesn't seem to be much. Even the RSI is also on the lower side. So yes, we can see some correction in the coming days. Now going to the trades for today, let me just take you there. So 950 we had a trade trigger at both ends. Over here on the call side 52,800 as per the premiums which I could manage because the premiums are very much inflated. Wasn't comfortable trading at the money or somewhere anywhere near the money. So 52,800 is what I was watching. Anything above 400. So here the trigger price came at 405 and straight away a long decay all the way down here within 1 hour. Within 1 hour we hit the stop loss. So then the exit was done and there was no other trade triggered on the call side. I stayed with the process, and on the put side we had at the same time we had a sell order over here at 950, and just what happened wasn't very pleasing because it went and hit the stop loss straight away. So I did not want to trade any further even if there was a signal, because two stop loss hits in a day means any professional trader would just stay away from the system. So this was the trades for today. Let me just take you to the Excel sheet. So traders, the two trades today, 950, both a buy and a sell triggered. Now we've had the scenario before where I made good profits, but today wasn't the case to be. A total of 634 points loss, and now we are down to 32% of the target. There are about 6 or 7 trading sessions left, which I am hoping to make the most of. So 405 was the buy entry on 52,800 call option, and it straight away went to the stop loss at 340, losing a cumulative of 310 points because I am using 5 lots on this. Alright, now the 52,400 put option, the sell happened at 502. The trigger happened at 502 and straight away it went to the stop loss of 583 and I lost 324 points over there. So I thought a bigger premium would give me a good decay, and given that there are only 3 days after this for the Bank Nifty expiry, so I was wrong and I paid the price. So this was the trades for today, and thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on Monday. Thank you.